I today test on teardown of Sony editing control unit from the flea market. It was €5 in the flea market, mostly because of this broken corner here. So it is an editing controller to do your old school analog video editing with 3 video tape recorders, 2 players as source and 1 recorder. Here is the information for you playing at home. Model number PVE-500 and serial number here. So we have AC input and we have 9-pin connectors to the recorders, which are actually RS422 protocol. So serial cables. More serial cables here for mixer and switcher control. And just reference video in, GPI out, whatever it is, and EDL in and out. So if we have a look, so there is a very nice keyboard kind of case with some very nice colors. We have a learn button here, pre-roll, synchro, player 1, player 2 and recorder for the time code, probably, yes, time code control, time code, real time code and CTL. Hours and minutes counters for the, and frame counters for the players and recorders with a reset button. The main power switch, typical Sony broadcast equipment power switch. Source select, player 1 player control. Here a quick graphical view of what you are doing from and to with LEDs. Edit mode, whatever it is. Assembly, and this I do not know. Rec and edit. Control for the recorder. So these jog shuttles, you can turn them and you can push them. Status LEDs here for the players and recorders, and more buttons here. In, out, go to, recall and try, auto edit, all stop, review and jump and preview. So all in the good old analog way. So sadly I am for now completely missing any kind of matching video tape recorder. So I cannot test it in a real condition. Here we have this rubber finish, which is sticky to the fingers but not sticky to the plastic anymore, and it is coming off really easily, as you can see. So it is quite bad. Probably I will remove it completely someday. Okay, so we will apply power to it and see what happens, but I do not expect to have much going on. Oops. So it was on. We have a buzz noise from a transformer probably. Here you can select source. LEDs will light up in the controls. And apart from this, control error, control error, control error. It is normal, I guess, because there is nothing connected to. And it is all what it does. But probably quite a good unit to work with when you have all the matching equipment. But at least it is giving signs of life. So for some reason we have nothing here. Ah yes, because I was in a... Okay, it is relevant. Okay, so here is all what it does. So I will cut the power. remove the power cable, and now we will have a look inside. So first thing here about these controls, there is actually a big rubber piece over it, which can be field replaced probably when it gets worn out, and there is a screw under it, and it seems to be a very nice optical encoder in it. So I will remove both of them because I have a feeling I will need to undo the button completely if I want to remove the front panel here. We will see. And at the same time they make quite nice cups to put the screws. So now to take it apart, obviously it is just a matter of a few screws at the bottom. So it will be real quick. They are self-tapping screws, by the way. So I do not expect much inside. The power supply is not universal, it is only 220 and 240 volts, so I do not know if it will be a switching power supply or an old school transformer, but the case seems a little bit flat for a transformer, but we will see. Shorter screws at this side. Okay, so what do we have? I will put it back this way. Maybe like this will be more convenient. And tada! Here is what we have inside. So first thing, there is only one big flat cable going to the top part, and it is not there are no locks on it, but it provides a header connector and you can disconnect it easily, and also the cable is long enough to allow you laying everything flat when you work on it, so it is good design this. Okay, next first we will have a look here. You can see the power supply. Yes, it is actually a transformer, but quite odd shape of transformer, very flat form factor. It is interesting. Your main switch here, the main socket, and the wires are protected with this piece of clear plastic to protect. When you are inside, you cannot too easily touch accidentally the main parts. It is good. And here we have a date code inside the plastic, and it is dated of 1993, as you can see here. Okay, some shielding, and we have what seems to be a motherboard with first your linear power supply, very old school, fuse, bridge rectifier and caps. Nothing else it seems. I do not see any voltage regulator or anything. And we have probably mostly Toshiba chips. I guess we must have a processor at least somewhere. We have two EPROMs called CPU 150. We have one here, again copyright Sony 1993. And for some reason we have second one here. Here some more chips. So I will zoom and you will research them if you are interested. Mostly Toshiba, Sony, Maxim. A little backup battery here obviously. some looks like some RAM maybe here. So you probably do not need a lot of processing power for this thing. So talking with a serial protocol to the controllers, to the VTRs I mean. Here at the back we have a power transistor or voltage regulator mounted on a metal piece for heat sinking, and it is all. Most of the weight is actually this transformer here. Okay, now for the top part. We have two circuit boards connected together with flat flex here. And what else? I am checking or it will come apart. Very nice rotary encoders here, and yes, you can see they are completely optical. You can see this castellated part here, and we have, I can guess, in the back here, and in the middle, infrared beams sensors. So very nice quality, by the way. The back connector here is just connected with just 3 wires going to it. This one with a red cap. So I will try to take apart this part in order to see, or maybe have opportunity to clean it and see a little bit better how it is made. So I guess if I undo a screw here and one here, always with Sony stuff, always follow the arrows, I should be able to remove here the LED displays PCB, easy enough. So very nice LED displays from Aerom. You can see here a number of them. The status LEDs are interesting here also. Yes, I am a LED fanboy. They are clear colors, smaller ones here, all the buttons here at your left side. So very nice work here. A little bit of dust, but not too bad. Okay, now we are left with this main plate here. I wonder how it is coming off. So I will undo a few screws and will be right back. So as expected, yes, it is very dirty. So I will really take the opportunity of having it taken apart to clean it. As you can see, pretty filthy, in particular under this left controller. The right one is not so bad. Okay, we are just a few screws later and now everything is loose. So before I lift this part and see more dirt, one thing interesting is about the bottom cover screw holes. I said there were self-tapping screws, but they are self-tapping actually in some kind of a metal cap. They did press fit over the stud of the plastic. So this is quite nice. You can see here they did not do it. Here you are self-tapping directly into the plastic, because probably you are supposed to take apart this part less often and it is less prone to being worn out. So here is how it looks if I unzoom. So we have the keys, which seem to be some really regular computer keyboard keys mounted onto this PCB. You can see more dirt here. These screws are for securing the encoders. So at least I may be able to remove them completely if I want to clean better the thing. Actually I can do it, or at least one of them to show you how it is. So it is really nice how everything can be taken apart and put back together. It is not something you see very often with personal grade equipment, but with broadcast or half broadcast equipment, particular Sony, it is good. Okay, here is the encoder, how it looks like. So yes, here you can see the event for the push button action. There is an optical sensor. So really nothing can get worn out quickly in this unit. So this is really good and nice design. And as I will be able to take apart everything, I will be able to clean pretty well with a little brush or something. So I can maybe even, yes, remove the covers of the keys and really have a good clean inside. So it will be good because really it is needing it. Okay, very nice rectangular LEDs here. And apart from this, in fact, if I undo more screws, I will go nowhere because you need to remove the bodies of the keys in order to be able to remove the PCB. And according to the seal screen, there is not much on it, just diodes and resistors mostly. Okay, but you can see the really nice work of Sony made here, but someone did win it with maybe Coca-Cola or something over the controller. So I will have some fun cleaning it completely. Sadly, I would love to have a replacement top cover in order to replace this missing part here, but it is not the case, so I will have to do with this one. And you can see more dust inside here. So yes, it needs a good cleaning. A little detail also, the buttons here are fitted with metal spring parts. So really nice function on this thing. Okay, so I will clean it, and after it I will reassemble it carefully and put it in storage in case I find someday matching videotape recorders, and then I could play with it. So thanks for watching for now, bye bye.